In this tutorial, we'll build 2 Hypar sails on 6 poles using Insight version 2. First, we'll add the 6 poles using speed pole, just using a default pole height, in this example 4.1 meters or 4100 millimeters. We then add 2 quad sails, select each pole in a clockwise direction. Let's rotate the view so we can see the sails at an angle. Now let's say we want these corners to be low to protect from the afternoon sun coming from this direction. So the corners here, here, here and here will also be low. The other connections will be high. We can select this pole and this pole, then change the heights to a low height. We'll use 2.6 meters. Now we change the pole top offset for corner C for this sail to change the height to low. Then this sail, corner A to low. We now have 2 Hypar sails. We can rotate the design in 3D to show the client how the design will look, or using view settings, we can change the view to perspective. In version 2, we also have the option to add a center connection between the sails. Click on the mid-join tool, then follow the instructions, selecting sail 1 and then the second sail. Thank you again for watching. For more examples and tutorials, please go to MPanel.com or search for MPanel on YouTube and subscribe to our video channel.